Alright guys, just finished up another GMC. This one's an 18. Obviously it's a single cab short bed. Real cool looking truck. I'm a little partial to these single cabs. I just think they look cool. Hadn't owned one in a long time, but I really like them. It was my first truck. This one's got 7-inch rough country, 35, 12, 50, 18 trails on it. It's got the full length struts on it. Factory wheels. We are running wheel spacers on this. We're doing 1.5 inches on the front and 2.5 on the back, and so that it evens out the track width. You can get by on this kit with just running a small 1/4 inch front wheel spacer to slip on, and it'll clear the knuckle. But we wanted a little bit better stance on this truck with the factory wheels. We run Bora wheel spacers on all of our trucks. All right guys, as always, stay tuned for more.